Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. If you guys saw the last video about the Civic Type R, I actually got some carbon fiber Mugen style mirror caps, and these things look so good. They actually look just like the Mugen ones, so I am going to be installing them on the car today. I just washed my whole car. It looks amazing, and now it is time to install them. Now, I did show the fitment before, but basically there was a small piece right here that shows blue that the mirror cap does not cover. So I am going to be using some Vivid Tech Art vinyl. This is some really nice vinyl that looks just like carbon fiber. Just going to use a little bit just to cover this little area right here. I did have this on my Lexus stock hood, and it did look really good in the sun like carbon fiber. So I am going to be installing the mirror caps and some of this vinyl just right here. So this is what the mirror caps look like. They look amazing. So all I have to do is take the backs off of this double-sided tape. I did have to install this double-sided tape myself. I did that in a previous video about these mirror caps when I talked about them. And yeah, so I think it's about time that we install them. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to mess around with some of this vinyl because I'm not exactly sure how it's going to fit. So I am going to have to cut it and figure it out. So when I'm done and I figure out exactly what I'm going to do, I will come back and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing with the vinyl and how it's going to look before I put on the caps. All right, guys, so this is what it is basically going to look like. As you can see, there is a little step down in there, and there's carbon fiber vinyl in there. So this is not done, but this is basically a test fit. I know there is a little bit of blue over there. I'll show you what it looks like when I press it down. It looks a little better, but that is basically what it's going to look like. I might fix that, but for the most part, it does look much better if you guys look at it right here. And I probably will fix that little blue spot over here, right there. But yeah, I'm liking how it looks. So this is a test fit, guys. Yeah, it looks amazing. I'm so excited to actually have these on. So I just went on a trip to California. I got these right before then, and so I've been waiting the whole time to install these, and now I'm about to install them. I'm so excited. So what made this so difficult is that there is a deep crack right here that I had to put the vinyl in, and it was pretty difficult, but it ended up working, and I think it looks great. So I am going to probably fix that little blue spot that is showing over here really quick, and then I will we'll be back and we'll install these. I don't think I showed you guys, but this is what the vinyl looks like. Just a strip of vinyl that goes across the top. Nothing special, just to cover up the area. I'm going to take the tape off of the back of the mirror cap. It's super simple. Here is the mirror cap, and yeah, just take all of these off. It is kind of a pain to take these off, but going to do that right now, and then I'll start installing.
Perfect.
All right, and I have to say, that is one of the easiest mirror caps that I've ever installed, minus all of the vinyl. It looks so good, and I'm so happy about this. So this is the Mugen style mirror cap install. I will be installing the next one as well, but I won't bore you guys with that installation since I just did this one on camera. But guys, let me know what you guys think about these. I obviously could have got the real Mugen ones, but I didn't want to spend $400 or $300 or whatever they are. I don't even remember how much they are, but they're pretty expensive. These do look amazing, and I am super happy with them. They installed very easily, and they look great, guys. So let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Obviously, this style is amazing. Mugen always makes really cool products for Hondas, and check that out, guys. So the vinyl looks great. I think it came out perfect. And yeah, I'm a big fan, guys. Check that out. Yeah. So you can't even tell that there is a difference between the patterns. It just looks so good, and it went together very well. I'm definitely happy about this, guys. Super happy that it came out good. I have been out here for a while working on this. I washed my car probably, I don't even know, for like 40 minutes, and it is super hot in this garage, but I'm super happy with the outcome. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next video.